The audiobook of Circe by Madeline Miller has the most incredible narrator I've ever listened to. Perdita Weeks did an amazing job. Hello guys and welcome to I Love Reading, a channel about interesting book-related subreddit topics. If you love our content, please press the like button, leave a comment and lastly, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. I'm listening to Circe through my library and, holy, I'm absolutely blown away by this narrator. I think it's the mix of Madeline's poetic writing style and Perdita's beautiful, soothing delivery that just has me relishing this whole experience. I almost always listen to audiobooks at 1.2 to 1.5x speed, but I've loved this so much I'm actually listening to it at the normal pace. The audiobook was absolutely made better for her narration for me and completely influenced my enjoyment of the whole story. I'll definitely be checking out more books narrated by Perdita in the future. I'm smitten. Has anyone else had an experience like this? Which book was it and who narrated? I'm blown away by how much I've enjoyed this. I almost don't want to finish the book for how lovely the experience has been. I agree with you so much. I'm a bit of a weirdo when it comes to audiobooks cause I usually just listen to them while I'm jogging or while I'm doing something menial like cleaning my place, but when I listened to the first 2 chapters of Circe, I immediately changed it to something else and said to myself that I should save this for an actual listening session. Anyway, the voice work complemented Miller's style of writing so perfectly. Fantastically well done and captivating. Definitely my best purchase from Audible. I absolutely loved her narration. Honestly, she nailed it. I don't know if you're into horror, but she's the lead actress in this phenomenal movie called As Above So Below. She was terrific in that too. By Zeus, she knocked it out of the park. Song of Achilles was a great story, but unfortunately lacked the same magical narration. I'm almost done with my listen and I'll be sad when her voice leaves my car. Fabulous job. You feel a sort of emotional connect when you've gotten used to having that voice play for 10+ hours and it suddenly ends. This was my first ever audiobook. I had no clue about Miller or Perdita, but decided to get it. I couldn't have been gladder. In the cold winters of New Delhi, Perdita's mellifluous yet powerful voice kept me going. I was so hooked to the story, I couldn't think of a better voice. I heard Norse mythology in Gaiman's voice, but it still didn't match up to Perdita. Thank you for this post. Are there any such audiobooks? Similar experience here. Got Circe on a whim and was completely blown away. Miller's first-person narrative prose with Weeks' voice was the perfect blend. I started with Norse mythology and didn't expect anything to top Gaiman's storytelling. Happy to be proven wrong. Hey. Thanks to your random post that popped up in my feed. I picked the audiobook up and I absolutely loved it. Thank you for the suggestion. I just listened to that and she was pretty good. Tim Gerard Reynolds is still by far my favorite for an audiobook that I've ever heard on the Red Rising series. Well, I guess that settles which book is next for me. There you have it, interesting comments by Reddit users on the audiobook of Circe by Madeline Miller. Narrator, Perdita Weeks, is the most incredible narrator I've ever listened to. Note: books talked about in the video can be accessed through the link on the description below. Thank you for watching till the end. If you loved the video, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to I Love Reading. See you on the next video.